front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Display and Brightness. Then scroll again and tap on Font over here. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it. Check out Preview at the top, and when you're ready to save your changes, hit Apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!